Hello everybody, I'm Gabby and this is Gabby Tech. How are you feeling today? Today I have prepared for you one very nice monitor review and we shall go and check it out. This is AOC 24G2. It's a 24-inch 1080p 144Hz IPS gaming monitor with FreeSync technology. 1 millisecond, this monitor is for people with tight budget, yet offering great gaming experience at nice price. 2K version comes with VA panel, however, it's not that important. The brightness of this monitor is 250 nits, aimed at gamers. Design and build quality is 10. Design-wise, bezel is so minimal that you can't even see. So if you decide to go triple monitor setup, it will fit in the purpose extremely well. The weight is 4.25 kg and when it comes in the package is around 6.25 kg. Cable management system is very nice. Screen got anti-glare coating like previously mentioned. Bezels are ultra thin. You get full ergonomic support with up to 130mm height adjustment. We're also having 90 degrees pivot, swivel, tilt, and the monitor is fast mount compatible. It comes with HDMI and DisplayPort cable. You have one DisplayPort connection, two HDMI connections, 3.5mm headphone jack, VGA 4 USB ports and 2-watt speakers that are integrated. If you don't have speaker, this one will be pretty good for you, but I can't say it's impressive. Предоставиха за това ревю и искам да ви помоля да ги посетите, защото ще останете доволни. Може да видите линк в описанието. А сега да започваме. В днешното видео ще разгледаме този монитор, като по-подробно ще разгледаме в следващото видео. В днешното видео само ще го разпаковам и ще го сглобя и ще ви покажа как се поставя правилно. А в следващото The OCD menu is simple to use, however joystick would have come handy to do navigation easier. You can download the AOC menu desktop application to manage your settings there also. Let's open the menu, here are the navigation buttons, this is the menu itself. You can control the contrast and brightness, there is echo mode. This monitor has the HDR effect but it's just a gimmick because the monitor itself is not HDR. Let's not forget that. Low blue light mode with 4 intensity presets, frame counter, low input lag mode, pre-calibrated presets, there are FPS, RTS and racing. There is also game settings, extra settings, and this is about the menu, on and off button. As we see, the monitor is based on IPS panel with 178 degrees viewing angles and 250 nit brightness, which can go up to 300 nits peak brightness. It has 8-bit color depth and sRGB mode, and the sRGB mode covers 128 of the spectrum, That means the colors are pretty accurate and the color reproduction is accurate overall. The pixel density is 92 ppi and there is a lot of screen space and sharp non-pixelated details. It's factory calibrated at delta E lesser or equal to 2. That's certificate that basically tells you how the human eye distinguishes two different colors. When it's lesser or equal to 2, that means the monitor has pretty real colors, they're very accurate. It fits for entry level, but you can also calibrate it the way you like. It's factory calibrated that way. So we saw part of the specifications of this monitor and now it's time for a little gaming test. We'll play a little bit Fortnite and other games and we'll see the anti-ghosting technology, motion blur reduction and the response time. The response time ratio is in 4 modes, low, medium and high. It varies between 1 and 4 milliseconds response time, and if you play on 144Hz it will be 4 millisecond response time. I'll open a game now, but overall my opinion about this monitor, I'm extremely impressed by the quality and the price tag. The color accuracy is very good, I would say. We see nice blacks and whites, beautiful viewing angles. Right now we're showing World of Warcraft, but I suggest we should check some more color accurate games and where there is more action in it. As you saw, ladies and gentlemen, I was extremely impressed. The gaming looks good on this monitor. The image quality is good, there no ghosting, no blur, the response time is perfect, the colors are beautiful. I am happy with it and I actually recommend you because it's good price tag. If you are on budget, this is the monitor for you. It has all of the functions that you can expect from a gaming monitor, and it's 144Hz, 1080p, FreeSync technology, and bezel-less. It's beautiful. Thank you for watching this review. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel and have a nice day.